Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Atlas. We're back in with another daily update video on SafeMoon. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button, and feel free to share this video on social media. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion, it's my own research, and I encourage you to do your own research. And I am on Twitter. If you guys want to check me out at Crypto Atlas YT, you can see my handle right below the webcam here. Would love for you guys to be a part of that community as well. And let's go ahead and get on into this. So first up, SafeMoon in the top 100 listing for CoinGecko is currently ranked at number 52. The barrier of entry to get into the top 1,000 has actually gotten slightly more difficult. So it's a little bit over 28.5 billion SafeMoon now. But aside from that, some good news that we have is that the total whale dominance for the top 25 whales is still going down. When in comparison to yesterday was at 19.72%. It's down another 0.1%, down to 19.62%. So absolutely amazing news to hear that. We want the whale dominance for the top 25 whales to continue to go down. Obviously, there are going to be people that have a lot more than other people. But hey, I mean, if we can get the top 25 whales, I think ideally at some point to be less than 5%, we're looking really, really strong. So I don't know how soon something like that could take place. Plus, on top of it, take into account somebody that has a lot of money might come in and they buy a whole bunch of SafeMoon and then they join the ranks of all these other people, or they pass these people. So a lot of things could potentially end up playing out, but it is awesome to see that this is continuously going down. As far as the Whale Watch Coins report, I'm going to go ahead and include a link, as always, in the description. If you use the subreddit guys for SafeMoon, please click on that link and go show these people, whoever this is that keeps posting this every day, some love, because they're taking some really good amount of time to put this all together and compile it for us. Right, so they said version 3.1 is live on whalewatcher.finance. This includes calculator and charts, more charts to come. And let's go ahead and scroll on down here. So we got fully diluted market cap is down 4.61%. Market capitalization down 4.62%. Trading volume is up 54.43%. And that's honestly great. You want those combinations, okay? Market capitalization, I'm talking about short term, by the way. So you want market capitalization to drop down. So the price point is basically dropping down and the volume is going up. So lower price and higher volume means more burning more quickly and more reflections for us as well. And so then when we start to climb back up, we go faster going up. Current price is down 4.61%. Wallet reflections is still approximately 0.01%. 26 humpbacks hold more than 1 trillion SafeMoon. 22 whales hold more than 500 billion. And 196 sharks hold more than 100 billion. Change of holders is up 3,163. Total holders is up 0.13%. The amount burned is 58.46 billion SafeMoon over the last 24 hours. Total burned is 419.142 trillion. That's up 0.01%. Total circulation is down 0.01%. We've been seeing that consistently every day. 0.01% up and 0.01% down. Another whale took a big sell-off. So this was identified by Parking Motor 4567 over on the subreddit, which is absolutely awesome. Been watching this whale for a few days, dropped from 2 trillion, 0.20% to 10 billion, or 0.0017% in 2 to 3 days. The whales are under 18% now. So that's absolutely amazing. Just check this out. Like, just seeing this progression go through with all these different whale watch counts for these different whales, it's really nice to see that it's progressively getting down more and more and more and more. And moving on, some theories going on with the image that's been posted by the SafeMoon team. People are seeing it and thinking like, okay, beans, maybe Colombia, because Colombia is really popular for coffee, right? And so they said, what keeps you up at night? I thought it was kind of weird that they had a picture of like a coffee bag. I'm like, well, what does that mean? And I think the safest thing to assume is probably that it's in relationship to like places that produce a lot of amount of coffee, right? So CoinDesk had posted very recently, they said Colombia's capital, Bogota, is offering $2.8 billion for investments in blockchain projects. So makes you wonder if there's going to be more funding that potentially could come into the equation for SafeMoon's team, if they can develop some things that would also contribute towards helping out Colombia. or specifically Bogota, right? What do you guys think on that? Another theory that someone else had, this is from It's Mighty 29 on the subreddit, said, I noticed the coffee beans are blue in color. Why would they change the color of the beans to blue? I found out that a company named Emergo just partnered with Blue Corintigi Coffee. Emergo was one of the founding entities of Cardano. Maybe this is hinting to a bridge to the Cardano ecosystem. I think that's a pretty interesting theory as well. What do you guys think about that? Let us know in the comments down below. This is pretty cool. Google lifting its ban from advertising crypto exchanges the same day that Google Play Store acknowledges the SafeMoon wallet, right? So we recently talked about in a previous post that it has now been passed that whenever the SafeMoon team is ready to upload their application to the Google Play Store, they're able to do so. So that's absolutely awesome to hear that. This is also really cool. Hashtag pay me in SafeMoon, accepting SafeMoon payments for my real estate company, Acu Properties. Own your beach apartment in Sveti Vlas, Bulgaria. Paying in SafeMoon. For more info, DM me. That is awesome. And just look at some of these, like the bottom section right here. This looks like a really nice place. So if you guys are considering trying to buy some property with SafeMoon, well, there you go. You have a location that you can be able to do that now. It is over in Bulgaria, but you can pay with SafeMoon, and it's on the beach, which is just absolutely awesome. Okay, continuing on. Just sort of wrapping everything up here. Price analysis, we're still teeter-tottering back and forth. Bitcoin is having some struggles. It's starting to head a little bit back towards the $30,000 price point. We haven't seen any whale sell-offs for SafeMoon since about 10 hours. 10 and a half hours ago since I'm making this video. The last one is about 10 and a half hours ago. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see either a whale buy or a whale sell here very soon. Every like 12 hours or so, just feels like it's tick tock, waiting for something to end up happening. So we do have resistance taking place at 27.85. Another level resistance I'm looking at is at 32.57, and a high level resistance at 37.83 before we try to get back into the 4,000 range. I'm seeing support established at 25.97, basically 26, and then a significant drop would be back all the way down at 2,000. You know, I'm going to sound kind of selfish. I hope it goes back to 2,000 or maybe a little bit less because I feel like everything is getting ready to take off very soon. I just want to take that opportunity to be able to really load up my bags one final time at a really good price. I've already been loading up on the way down and doing dollar cost averaging, don't get me wrong. But hey, you know, if I can get like a really, really good deal one more time, why not? So you guys let me know in the comments how you feel about everything that was discussed today. And my cat is acting crazy right now. He's super hyper. If you're new, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button, share the video on social media. You use hashtags and all that kind of stuff. I'm in Discord for the SafeMoon Discord. You guys probably have seen me in there quite a bit. And I have referral links in the description. So if you want to get free cryptocurrency or stock, then feel free to use those. And it's a nice little way you can also help out the channel. And I am, speaking of stocks, I have a separate video that I'll be doing here in just a little bit where I'll be talking about AMC and an update on that. So if you guys didn't know, I am covering updates on AMC stock. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next episode.